In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download LinkedIn videos effortlessly. Whether it's for a work presentation, educational purposes, or simply to keep a video for offline viewing, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive in. To start with, you'll first need to log into your LinkedIn account. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, navigate through your feed or search for the video content that piques your interest and that you'd like to download. Take your time browsing until you find just the right video that you want. When you have found that video, focus your attention on the top right corner of the video post. There, you'll notice 3 small dots. Go ahead and give those dots a click. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. What you want to do next is click on the Copy Link to Post option. This will copy the direct URL of the video post to your clipboard, making it ready for the next steps. Now, it's time to switch gears. Open up your preferred web browser. Today, let's say we're using Google Search as an example. In the search bar, type in LinkedIn Video Downloader. Here, you'll be presented with several options. Feel free to choose whichever online downloader service appeals to you. For illustration, I'll be going with the second search result. Let's call it popular.com. Once you're on the downloader site, you'll see a field where you can paste the URL of the video you want to download. Right-click in that field and select Paste, inserting the URL you previously copied from LinkedIn. After that's done, click on the Download button. Sit tight because it might take a little time for the site to process the video and make it ready for download. It's important to be patient here, so ensure that you do not refresh or close the window at this stage, as that could interrupt the download process. When the video is successfully loaded on the downloader site, you'll see an option to save it to your device. Go ahead and click Save, and you'll notice your video download beginning almost immediately. Make sure your device has enough storage and a stable internet connection for a smooth downloading experience. And just like that, you've downloaded a LinkedIn video to your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. I'd also love for you to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time there's a new upload. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.